Do you scroll on your phone late at night? Just 5 more minutes. And suddenly it's 2 a.m. But did you know that this one habit is silently ruining your health, slowing your metabolism, and even making you gain weight? Studies show that using your phone before bed damages your sleep quality, increases stress hormones, and can lead to serious health problems over time. And trust me, by the end of this video, you'll want to change this habit immediately. Why using your phone at night is a big mistake. The blue light from your phone blocks melatonin production, the hormone that helps you sleep. This means your body stays awake even when you're exhausted, leading to poor sleep quality, increased cravings, and even weight gain due to hormonal imbalances. But that's not all. Late-night scrolling also triggers stress and anxiety, keeping your brain overstimulated when it should be resting. This leads to chronic fatigue, slower metabolism, and a weaker immune system. How to fix this and sleep better? If you want better sleep, faster metabolism, and improved focus, try these simple habits. Turn off screens 30 minutes before bed. Use night mode to reduce blue light. Read a book instead of scrolling. Try deep breathing to relax your mind. The results? More energy, better health, and easier weight loss. Now that you know the dangers of nighttime phone use, will you change this habit? Let me know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more health and fitness tips.